Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about data structures. This is your second sem computer paper, which is of 75 marks, and today in this data structures we are having 5 units. The first unit is Introduction to Data Structure, Principles of Program and Analysis of Algorithms, and the second unit is Arrays and Linked List, and the third unit is Stacks and Queues, and the fourth unit is Binary Trees, and the fifth unit is Sorting and Searching and Graphs. Okay, these are the 5 units. Coming to first unit. In the first unit you have to learn about the introduction of data structures. That means in this we learn about the data structure, what is data structure and what are the operations we are using on data structure, what is ADT, abstract data type, and different types of data types, and the classification of data structures, and all this comes under your Introduction to Data Structures topic. And the next one is Principles of Program and Analysis of Algorithms. In this we are going to learn about what is an algorithm, how we analyze the algorithm, big O notation, structured programming, all this comes under in this topic, Principles of Program and Analysis of Algorithm. And the next we move to second unit, that is Arrays. Arrays already you learned in your C programming, what is an array, how many types of arrays are there, all this. So same we learn in your arrays. That means in this we learn about what is an array and different types of arrays, how we declare an array, how we initialize an array, all this. And next move to linked list. In this linked list we are going to learn about what is a linked list, how linked list connected, how linked lists are connected, and different types of linked list. In this linked list we are having 4 types of linked list. Those are single linked list, circular linked list, double linked list, and circular double linked list. And next we move to unit 3, that is Stacks and Queues. In this Stacks and Queues we learn about stack. What is stack? Applications of stacks, implementation of stacks, all this. And next queue. And in this queue we learn about what is queue, operations of queue, and different types of queues. We are having different types of queues. Those are circular queue, D queue, priority queue. Those we learn in our unit 3. And next we move to unit 4, that is binary trees. What is a tree? Tree terminologies, tree traverses. We are having 3 traverses, that is in order, pre-order, post-order. All these we learn in binary trees, and we also learn about binary search trees. And next we move to unit 5, that is sorting and searching techniques and graphs. Sorting and searching techniques. In this we are having some sorting techniques. Those are bubble sort, insertion sort, merge sort, quick sort, all this. And searching techniques we are having linear search and binary search. These are the sorting and searching techniques. And next we move to graphs. Graph. In this we are going to learn about what is graph, the terminologies of graphs, and the traverses of graphs. Here in this the traverses are DFS and BFS. That means depth first search and breadth first search. And we also learn about MST. MST means minimal spanning tree. And in this we are having 2 algorithms. By basing upon that algorithm we can construct a MST, minimal spanning tree. Okay, those algorithms are Prim's and Kruskal algorithms. These topics comes under your topic graphs. This is about unit 5. These are the 5 units we are going to learn in our data structures. This is your second sem computer paper.